Title: Muslims are not terrorists. Terrorism has no religion, and violence cannot represent Islam or its followers. Islam teaches peace, mercy, justice, and respect for human life. Around the world, millions of Muslims live as law-abiding citizens, working, studying, serving humanity, and contributing positively to their societies. A small group of extremists cannot define over 1 billion Muslims. Just as no religion is judged by the actions of a few, Islam should not be linked with hatred or terror. In fact, the Quran clearly teaches that killing an innocent person is like killing all of humanity. Muslims are doctors, teachers, parents, neighbors, and peace builders. They stand against terrorism and extremism in all forms. It is time to replace fear with facts, prejudice with understanding, and hate with humanity. Muslims are not terrorists. Terrorism is terrorism, and Islam is peace.